Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and we're going to show you this lovely Aynsley trio in Queen's Garden design and pattern, but in a very unusual and quite rare pale turquoisey powder blue ground background. So Queen's Garden is a lovely and well recognised Aynsley pattern. These are really well executed squat D-shaped teacups. By that we mean they've got this sort of nip in the waist and then bulbous top and bottoms. Pedestal footed with gilt detailing all the way around. Just look at that lovely bit of handle detailing the decorators have put on this. Queen's Garden is this grey and white transfer printed design with formal classical gardens with a big glass house, and then on the saucers you've got sort of ruined landscaping detail in the lake. And then just look at the hand coloured enamel decoration that the Aynsley decorators have applied not only to the saucer and side plate but the inner decoration wall on this teacup. D-shaped, nip waisted, grey transfer printed, indent rimmed teacup. All the measurements are on the website for this. Detailing around the handle is just lovely, that sort of leaf bit that they've put in there. Pedestal footed with very fine gilt, period Aynsley china marks. The dates for these are all on the website. They are 1930s, these. Beautifully decorated again. Just look at the condition of this saucer. The glaze is as new. These are cabinet condition, these sets, really. They're absolutely fine. Beautifully hand coloured, just with a little bit of yellow pulled over those sort of ruins to highlight them a bit, but it's the floral decoration on the garlands that really meet the eye. And these are all palpable enamels on here, so each one's an individual work of art basically by the decorators. 35090 is the pattern reference, and then the variant on the detailing there, again matching bone china Aynsley marks. And the side plate, again, just want to show you the condition of this. Just look at the glaze reflection on there. You can see the pattern in the transfer print standing proud, and then the enamels on top of that. Absolutely beautiful condition, really unusual colour palette piece this, absolutely gorgeous combination, not seen it in this variant before. Indent irregular scallop trim around the side plate, and again matching china marks with the decorator's pattern reference on it. Don't think you're going to find these anywhere else on the internet right now. Incredibly rare, mid-1930s, won't be that many left, certainly not in this colourway. I think we've got 2 or 3 of them going on catalogue. We've got to work our way through the collection and see what condition they're all in to make sure that they're all just as fine and as good as this one in the video. So the description link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. If you'd like to find out more details and prices for these teacup trios from Aynsley, then click on the link below and it will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, and do have a look through on our teacup collection. We've got some fantastic vintage and antique pieces which are hard to find anywhere else. Thanks for watching.